Look at this monster. Look at this monster. Passion vine, full freaking sun. Like, look. Full sun all day. It probably, as soon as the sun comes up, gets from, that's east facing, so as soon as the sun gets over that freaking house, and then it's in sun till 6 o'clock at night, at least. And it is doing completely fine. I almost wish I would have done it in a pot to sort of limit this from growing this big, because I got watermelon growing in sharing space. This has officially been here a year. It's already fruited. A year plus at this point, and it's doing fine. Full freaking sun. So this doesn't require, crazy temperatures, and I could just line up pots and grow other things in here because it's giving it shade. So things that do well in this zone that don't require a whole lot of sun, I can just put them here and I have shade. Line them on the sides, kind of like I'm doing. This watermelon is sharing space, flowering. I'm gonna change this from a nitrogen-based fertilizer to phosphorus, and we're just gonna let it grow together. Hopefully this doesn't choke it out. This will be the second season doing this way. This was a lot smaller last season, obviously, passion fruit, but you'll have little watermelons hauling up here. These little freaking tendrils, though, are freaking strong as heck, so I'm just hoping it doesn't wrap around the vines and you know we're not even going to talk about this guy. So this is funny because this was a sunflower. Wind blew it over, but now we got growing out the sides. I didn't know sunflowers did that. I thought once that it was it. But it's still coming in. And this watermelon ain't playing games. I don't even know what's going on here. We definitely have watermelon growing. Look at that guy. You see it? See it? Watermelon pollinating. I have not hand pollinated anything this season. I'm letting everything do its things. I don't even know. I mean, is this all sweet potato vine? Did I forget a sweet potato in there maybe? Is this all sweet potato vine? I don't know. Then there's something in the back over there. I don't know what that is. Hey, let's see what's fruits. I know I've tried to get some tomatoes over here. So I planted them directly. We'll see what happens, eh? But this watermelon will take over. I'm hoping this is a small one. Oh, look. Right there. I'm hoping this is a smaller watermelon because that's going to weigh down. I don't know if it's going to be able to support it. And this guy, goji berry, I didn't water it, the water wasn't on this thing. You guys let me know in the comments, anyone that grows goji berry, is this actual goji berry or is this weeds at this point? This didn't get water for all of winter. And it's in a pot, so it's not on the ground. It can't get any water from anywhere else. But I started watering and this is what's going on from it. So hopefully it's goji berry. I think I planted cantaloupe here. But this stuff, which I hear is edible, and it's good, and just to leave it and you can eat off of it, which is great, but I don't want it taking away from my cantaloupe. I don't know. Passion fruit, super well here in zone 9. If you're in a hot climate and you're like, what can I grow? This is definitely one of them. And watermelon, but you should have already planted that. But our watermelon season's so long, you can plant this now and it grows so fast. You plant the seeds, like just for it's 100%. If you have a good seeds, 100% germination rate. Plant it directly. Give it nitrogen at first to get some leaves going. Once you start seeing flowers, then switch to potassium. Nice fertile soil. They're hungry, they're thirsty. Pretty sure I did a video on growing watermelon in general. Maybe at the point where I need to start doing stuff. This is going over. They're gonna have passion fruit growing down. I'm a good 15 feet high. Like there's a drop on that side. So I'm not too worried, but can't really hop over that to prune it. Zone 9. Doing it. Let's grow.